This professional metal detector is designed with performance and comfort in mind. The adjustable stem, which extends from 25 to 51 inches, ensures that users of all heights can enjoy a comfortable experience. 10-inch waterproof search coil, perfect for covering large areas quickly and efficiently. You'll also find an intelligent LCD panel. The large screen shows valuable information like detection mode, target depth, and sensitivity level, easy to read both during the day and at night. And to make things even easier, the kit includes two 9V batteries, so you can start detecting as soon as you open the box. The detector features an advanced and durable anti-interference cable that connects the search coil to the LCD screen. This reinforced cable is designed to minimize environmental noise and electromagnetic interference, which helps improve the accuracy of target detection, especially in areas with mineralized soil or high metal content. The included wired headphones allow you to hear detection alerts more clearly, especially in noisy environments. In addition to the metal detector itself, this kit includes everything you need to get started right away. It comes with a durable backpack, perfect for storing and carrying all the components during outdoor adventures. You'll also find a foldable digging shovel, which is compact and practical for retrieving buried items. It can be used both as a shovel and as a pickaxe, making it versatile for different types of soil. Now we're heading outside to test all the features of the metal detector. This is how you'll look with all the gear on. The small pouch, which clips onto your belt, is included and is perfect for storing the shovel. Before we start, I'm turning on the screen so you can see the first detection mode. On the left side, you'll see the sensitivity level, which you can adjust depending on the terrain or how deep you want to search. On the right, you'll see the approximate depth of detected objects. But first, let's switch the mode to jewelry. In this mode, the detector focuses only on valuable items like rings or necklaces, while ignoring things like nails, cans, and screws. Before starting, I threw a coin, a spoon, and 2 screws that we'll try to find. I think I've already found the coin, as you can see. It wasn't hard to detect. Now I'm switching back to AM mode so I can detect all types of metals, including the ones I'm still missing. There's something here. I'm not sure which of the 3 remaining items it is, but the signal is quite low, so it might be a screw. Wait, it's actually the spoon. Now I'm going to show you how the PP button works. This is the pinpoint function, which helps you locate objects more precisely. When you press the button, wait for the letters on the screen to stop flashing. The closer the center of the coil is to the target, the stronger and more consistent the sound will be. It really makes it easier to know exactly where to dig. Now let's search for the screws, which are smaller and harder to detect. We'll press the sends button to increase the sensitivity and improve our chances of finding them. Just a tip, don't set the sensitivity too high, as it might pick up a lot of interference or false signals, especially in areas with mineralized soil or scattered metal fragments. Here's one of the screws. It wasn't hard to find. Now I'm going to show you the memory mode. In this mode, we scan the material we want to keep detecting, and the detector will focus only on that type of metal, helping us avoid false signals from other objects. Now that we've found the second screw, let's do a quick test with the coin. As you'll see, in memory mode, the detector won't respond to the coin since it's not the selected material. However, when we switch back to jewelry mode, the detector picks it up instantly. Definitely a very useful and smart feature. Now let's go into the water and select disc mode, which stands for discrimination. In this mode, we can include or exclude specific types of metals using the plus and minus buttons. This helps us filter out unwanted materials like nails or bottle caps and focus only on what we want to find. As you can see, the detector works just as effectively in water as it does on land. Just remember, do not submerge the LCD screen, as only the search coil is waterproof. And to finish, we're going to disassemble the entire kit and pack it into the backpack. This is super helpful for storage and makes it easy to take the detector anywhere, whether it's a beach day, a hiking trip, or just exploring your backyard. I hope you enjoyed this quick demo of the metal detector. It's a fun and easy to use tool whether you're a beginner or just looking for a new adventure. Thanks for watching, and happy treasure hunting!